Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam mounted the pulpit and said, "Undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has given a bondsman option either to choose what of the charms of the world he pleases be given to him or what is with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. So a bondsman chose what is with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." So Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu thereupon burst into tears and said, "May our fathers and mothers be sacrificed for you." This weeping seemed amazing to us, and some people said, "Look at this elderly man. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam is just talking about a man whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has given this option that he may either be blessed with the splendor of worldly life or what is with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And he is saying our parents may be sacrificed for you." After a few days, when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away, we realized whoso was given option was Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself, and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu knew it better than all other people. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Abu Bakr is the one who favored me the most in terms of companionship and wealth. If I had made friends with anybody amongst my ummah, I would have done so with Abu Bakr. But there is Islamic fraternity, and no window must be left open to the mosque but that of Abu Bakr." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3904.